let's start by making the crust and the base of our tarts. I do recommend to use the hook attachment in your mixer when making doughs such as this. Should feel sticky to the touch, like I'm showing here, but it should not stick to the sides of the bowl. Doesn't need to be perfect, but the thickness of the rectangle is the important part, as you're gonna fold it onto itself later once you add the butter. We're gonna need to turn this 90 degrees so we can work on the opposite direction. And to do this, I'm just gonna fold it onto itself so that I can easily turn this. Once you've managed to turn the dough 90 degrees, you can unfold it and repeat the process. This is the final time we'll be rolling out the dough, so I'm trying to make sure that it looks as much as a rectangle as possible, and I'm using a scraper to do that. And I'm gonna be rolling the dough instead of folding it, so I can spread butter all over the top this time as well. And you want to make sure that you're rolling it really tight and neatly. Again, the dough is still very sticky, so you do need some help by using flour or your scraper as much as you can. And while this chills in the fridge, we can get started with our custard filling. important thing to do here is to stirring no matter what, and to add the hot milk very slowly, because you're essentially cooking your egg yolks with it, and you do not want to end up with scrambled eggs. And once you've added the milk, you can calmly add the caramel, because there's no chance that you're going to curdle this mixture anymore. Absolutely optional. I just want to have nice even pieces. The important bit is that the roll is roughly 35 centimeters long. Look at those beautiful buttery swirls. I'm gonna zoom in so that you can see all that butter in there. So for this video, I'm using water because I will be using my hands to shape the dough into the actual tart shells. This is absolutely not necessary. You can also use a rolling pin and directly stretch out the dough and just pop it into the cases. But I think this makes it even more special. Custards baking at the highest temperature possible to achieve those brown tops, and for my oven this is 290 Celsius. If your oven doesn't go as high as 290, just use whatever is the highest temperature possible. I personally think that these should be eaten on the same day, but they can sure hold